Hi, I'm Ray. I'm in the garden today. It's a blowy day and I've got my fuchsia, and this has been overwintering in the greenhouse and it's started to sprout now, so we're going to get this out in the garden and get a nice display. So we're going to give it a nice repot and a prune. So let me show you what we're going to do. So this is our fuchsia. We can see some nice green shoots coming, and there's just a couple of shoots coming, but as we can see here, some of these are all damaged and just napping off. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take our fuchsia out of this container and we're going to put it into a pot. So I'm just going to dig underneath, take our fuchsia out of the pot. There we go. And what I'm going to do is just remove some of the old compost from around the roots. Clearing it away so we can give it a nice, good, fresh start for the year. So there we go, some nice roots, so we're all good. So this is our fuchsia. We've took all the soil off and given it a bit of a rub just to tease some of the soil away. And I'm going to put this into a pot, a nice terracotta pot, a glazed pot. I'm just going to add a bit of fresh compost, peat free, with just a bit of perlite, just for a bit of drainage. And we're going to add our fuchsia into the pot, top it round with the fresh compost all the way round. There we go. So I was going to put some nutrients back in the roots, but it's still a bit messy, so we're going to get our snips. Here we go. So I got my snips, and we're going to just take away some of these old branches we don't require. Just give it a trim. Cross ones, not required. This one, no. Just going to take the top bit off of here. This one, reduce that one down to that. These are crossing. That one's on the ground, touching the soil. That one's broken, this one's broken, and that one's no good. So I'm just going round. We can still see it's green, so we're doing okay. I'm just going to take the top of it here, around about here, take that off, and also going to take that bit off there. There we go. These are crossing. There we go. So that's our fuchsia or prune. Take that one off of there, that one's a bit scraggy. That one too. There we go. So that's our fuchsia, all nicely potted up, nicely pruned. All we need to do now, give it a drop of water, and that's going to sit out in the garden. Now all the thrush have all gone by. So, let me know in the comments. Have you overwintered your fuchsias? That'd be great. Cheers!